Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video. As always, today we are looking at a fragrance that I just recently finished. I just finished the bottle. If you own a substantial size collection like I do, it's not often that you're going to finish a bottle. It just proves that this is a fragrance that I really enjoy. I wear it on many occasions, and in this video I want to go over why I like this fragrance so much, why I went through it as quickly as I did, and why I'm buying another bottle. If this is your first time finding this channel, my name is Gerard and I appreciate you stopping by. If you like all things fragrance related content, please be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and it will help me get lifted up into the YouTube algorithm and in front of more of you guys who like this stuff. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So let's just end the suspense now. This fragrance I am a massive fan of. I've talked about it a bunch on the channel and for various different reasons. Is just super enjoyable, really calming scent. I find this scent to be extremely calming and sort of a unique scent as well, even though it gets compared to another popular freshie. But the scent we are talking about today is Mont Blanc's Starwalker. Now, as you can see, this bottle is completely empty. I don't think that Starwalker comes in a bigger bottle. I could be wrong. This is a 50 ml. I don't think it comes in a 100 ml. If it comes in a larger bottle, it's probably a 75 ml. However, 50 ml is probably the more common size that you guys are gonna see in the rack stores. They do pop up. I will be sure to link this particular fragrance down below at an online discounter. Yeah, this thing is just incredible, and for many different reasons. As I said in the intro, I find this to be an extremely calming scent. I wear this to bed. That's one reason why I went through this so quickly, because not only is it a fragrance that you can wear out during the day, really warm days, freshy type scent, and cool days as well, which this is a year-round or a signature type scent. I think that if you are wearing this to bed and to kind of chill out, you're gonna go through it faster, obviously. This has a note of bamboo, it's watery, it's green, it's a bit aquatic, and it's just really pleasing to me. It has sort of these qualities to it that make it effortless. It doesn't come across as overly synthetic. It's not too harsh. What I like about it is that it doesn't last forever. It's not this type of fragrance that's going to be in your face. It doesn't project like a monster, and that's what I enjoy about it. This is something that you can wear to bed with your partner next to you, whoever. If you're sleeping alone, with your dog, with your wife, with your husband, you can wear this. You can wear this and not offend them and not sort of detract from their sleep. It's really easy going like that. It's woody, it's citrusy, it's aromatic. This one actually gets compared to Versace's Manteau Fraîche, which I can understand the comparisons. However, I think that this is far more woody. This is not as vegetal as that fragrance is. That fragrance comes across is extremely green and vegetal to me, where this does not. This is more of the citrusy, woody, sort of sweet elements that are in that fragrance are in here as well. This is a little bit more metallic and just really, really nice. Some of the other notes in this are bergamot, mandarin orange, sandalwood, ginger, fir resin, nutmeg, amber. So the notes really work well together. There is a warmth to this coming from that amber. I find myself in moments where I'm maybe feeling a bit anxious. If I spray this on the back of my hand and sort of just take a whiff of it, it's extremely calming to me, which is again why I like to wear this to bed, among other fragrances. And I like to wear it in situations where it's an easy dumb reach. I just want to smell nice. I don't care about other people smelling me. This is the perfect fragrance for that. This is one of those fragrances that if you want to put something on and feel like you're not trying too hard or trying to get noticed and you just want to sort of have a scent for yourself, this is going to fit that bill. This one is just a 10 out of 10 for me. It checks all the boxes. And on top of that, it is a cheapie. I still can't wrap my brain around the fact that some people discount cheapies just because they're cheap. This is a cheapie gem. This is one that you should seriously consider having in your collection. I actually already did pick up a new bottle of this. So I have my 50 ml bottle waiting to be opened. And this one I actually got for even cheaper. Normally you can find these for under $20, but I was lucky enough to find this at a Marshall's for $16. For $16 to have a fragrance that I know I will probably end up using the entire bottle, it's worth every penny. Really quickly, guys, I just want to take a minute to talk about Scent Split. If you guys have not used Scent Split yet, you need to check them out. They offer decants and samples on their website of some of the top niche brands available today. What I like about Scent Split as well is they'll kind of curate their own list. So right now they're currently running a top fragrances for fall from brands like Kilian, Parfums de Marly, Nichane, and Roja Parfums, just to name a few. If you use my link, I will get a small commission from that. It's a way for you to support the channel and for me to continue to do videos like this. So just to wrap up sort of my thoughts on Mont Blanc's Star Walker is that this fragrance overall just sort of offers this chill experience, and you don't have to be shy with the sprayer. It's just, you're never gonna overwhelm someone. As I said, performance, it's not gonna last forever. It's not gonna project like a beast, but again, that's what I like about it. You can spray your pillows, you can spray blankets, whatever you want. This is just a pleasant scent that you're gonna wanna smell in many different occasions and situations that you find yourself in. Just a fantastic fragrance. If you have not tried Mont Blanc Star Walker, be sure to do so. Check your local rack stores. If you don't get lucky there, be sure to check in the description below. I will link this fragrance there. Just an incredible scent. Absolutely love this one. Star Walker from Mont Blanc. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what the last bottle that you burned through was. Are there any bottles that you finished that you've already re-upped on? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.